Hello dear students, I'm Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting this video, I would like to say something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, then note it and proceed further. And although you have facing any problem or difficulties, please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you. Now here is the question. Three objects A, B and C are kept in a straight line on a frictionless horizontal surface. These have masses m, 2m and m respectively. The objects A moves towards B with a speed 9 meter per second and makes an elastic collision with it. Thereafter, B makes completely inelastic collision with C. All motions occurs on the same straight line. Find the final speed in meter per second of the object C. This question is asked IIT JEE 2009, and this question is based on the laws of conservation of momentum and collision. Okay, so here in the given that question, here block M and block this B, that is mass is 2m, and block C, it's again its mass is m. It's a collision between ABs perfect elastic. Perfect elastic, what does it mean? Perfect elastic, it means their momentum and energy both are conserved. But in the case of BC, we have given that collision is inelastic. What does it mean inelastic? Inelastic means momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not conserved. In that case, B and C after collision moving along with them. Okay. So therefore, let us first we have to find out the velocity, momentum and collision. So here collision between A and B. So here we have taken collision between A and B. So laws of conservation of momentum, here m and its velocity, consider initial velocity is UA, its mass is 2m, initial velocity is 0. Okay, and it is before collision, and after collision its velocity become VA and 2m VB. Is it clear? So here m UA is given 9 meter per second. It is 0. Here m VA and 2m VB. M cancel out. So we get VA plus 2VB equal to 9. It is considered first equation. Okay, it is clear. Now we have applying laws of conservation of energy between A and B because its collision is perfect elastic. So therefore energy is conserved. Let us consider its initial velocity is UA and its velocity initial velocity is UB, and after collision its velocity become VA and its velocity become VB. So here 1 by 2 m UA square, but its initial velocity is 0. Okay, so therefore whole value becomes 0 is equal to, now this value convert 1 by 2 m VA square plus 1 by 2 m VB square. Okay, here 2 get common and cancel out, m cancel out, then it become UA square equal to VA square plus here 2VB square. Now UA we have given that 9 meter per second square. So 9 square means 81 equal to VA square plus 2VB square. It is equation number second. Now substitute the value of VA from equation number first. Then it can be written as 9 minus 2 VB. Okay. So therefore substitute this value in the place of VA. 9 minus 2 VB square plus 2 VB square. Okay, by using the identity 81 plus 4 VB square, 9 to the 18, 2 the 36 minus 36 VB plus 2 VB square. 81 cancel out. Then here 4 VB square and 2vb square, that is 6vb square minus 36vb equal to 0. Then 6vb square equal to 36vb. Then 1vb cancel out. Then vb is equal to 36 upon 6. 6 6 is 36. So therefore velocity of B block, that is 6 meter per second. So here we get the velocity after collision 6 meter per second. Okay. Here given that B and C, between B and C, their collision is perfect inelastic collision. It means after collision they will stick together, means they become common velocity. So here it can be written as m 2m vb equal to 2m, here 2m plus m, and common velocity become vc. Okay, so therefore here 2m, and what is velocity of vb? We have already find out 6 meter per second. Here 2m and m, that is 3m vc. Here m cancel out, 6 to the 12 upon 3. Then vc equal to 3 on the 3, 3 4 the 12. Then vc equal to 4 meter per second. So here the option is B is correct. I hope so. You understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, for your success, all the credit goes to your hard work. But if my video will help for your success, then I will consider myself lucky. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.